Hi, this is Dr. Janet Hull, and this is a video in my detox series. I want to show you how you can avoid unexpected health problems. You can do it in 4 easy steps. You know, we've all wondered, what do you do when unexpected health symptoms just appear out of nowhere? And how do you stop them from getting worse? Well, what you do is you prevent them before they happen. That's the answer. You know, you can take an over-the-counter medicine to stop the symptoms. But once you stop the OTC drugs, your health symptoms typically return. So what you need to do is determine the cause of why you're having health symptoms. This is the only way your health symptoms are going to stop. So you know what? Just make this easy. Live a lifestyle that prevents unwanted health reactions. You see, the healthier you are, then you can reverse negative health symptoms as soon as they appear. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 is to determine what you are reacting to. Figure out what's different. What have you been exposed to shortly before your symptoms started? Like, where have you recently been? Or what have you done differently? If you can determine this as soon as you can, then time will be on your side to remove the cause as soon as possible. And that's what you want. Ask yourself, did you recently have your home or office sprayed for bugs? Has your office just been painted or had new carpet installed maybe? Did your neighbor recently spray his lawn? Or were you just at a public place like the mall that you never go to, or the theater? Or were you at an airport? Where you were just a few days before your symptoms first appeared is very important to try to determine what's the cause of your unexpected health symptoms. So this takes us to step 2. And step 2 is to eat fresh food, good food, and drink a lot of water. You want to avoid processed foods and never use sugar-free or fat-free products. That's just a general rule, but especially if you're having some very strange health symptoms, cut those out. You want to limit your weekly soft drinks. And you want to avoid the cheap drive-through fast food restaurants. And I know we're all busy, but try to avoid those at all cost. All of this will lessen stress on your immune system because your immune system is flushing out these food chemicals. And this will lessen allergens and more health reactions. And it's very important to take a multivitamin, especially if you don't have time to eat right daily. Take your multivitamin at least 4 times a week. So then this takes us to step 3. Step 3 is to detox at the very first sign of negative health symptoms. Now, I recommend my 10-step French green clay detox program, and I also recommend my saline nasal flush for allergy symptoms. I want you to remember that health symptoms are a reaction to something. Health symptoms just don't appear out of nowhere or for no reason. So, when health symptoms appear, it's very important to identify what you've been exposed to. Then you want to remove that exposure. You want to detox, and then give your body the best natural tools that it needs to take care of the situation on its own. And this leaves us with step 4. All right, if you have been trying natural solutions and they just don't work for you, then you need to go get the over-the-counter medication or make a doctor's appointment. I'm not totally against that. It's just you'll have a better understanding of what's going on if you try the natural remedies first. The natural remedies will keep your body strong. They'll provide all the tools needed to help your immune system try to kick out these unexpected health symptoms. And it'll make you scrutinize your environment for toxins, which is something that we just don't think about doing. And it'll remind you to avoid processed foods. Remember, health symptoms are a reaction to something around you. You can avoid illness by avoiding toxins. If you'd like more videos and more help with your detox and your wellness program, visit me at janethull.com. And thank you for your support. Wishing you all the best.